Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we will be picking few cards. So these are for your general energies. Gemini, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstances. And today I'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. So this is your card. I will leave it here. And one card for your love guidance. And this is the card. Let's leave it here. We will see what are these cards as we proceed, guys. And one card from the fortune cookie. So we will see what is your lucky inspiration for the day. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Gemini, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's see what are the cards for your general energies first. So we have Nine of Pentacles. Sorry guys. Four of Pentacles in reverse and Hierophant. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are feeling really confused, or you are in a lot of doubt, maybe because you feel that you have done something the right way, made the right decision, but whatever it is in your circumstances, things are not going as expected. So maybe in your career you may see some delays, some suspensions in your work, something is not going the right way, and you were expecting something better today, guys. Maybe in your relationship also, you are trying to do things the right way. You are happy about this relationship, you love this person, and you are trying to do your best. Maybe you have a different idea, or your way of dealing things may be different from this person, and they may have different beliefs or ideals, and it is really difficult for you. You are trying your best to understand this person, but they are not understanding you for some reason, guys, because maybe for some of you, their vision of their life, or maybe their beliefs, or something different, and it is not relating with yours. That may be the reason we see with these cards. But you are really happy to be with them. You really want this relationship to work. And maybe for some of you, you are even thinking of marriage or commitment with this person. But this person is, not thinking of you in that way, guys. So let's see what is the card for your relationship first. So we have Eight of Swords. So looks like maybe you love this person, but you are not getting love back from them. So it may be your energy or their energy. Maybe they feel this way about this relationship, or you feel this way. You feel that you are trapped or powerless, unable to do something. For some of you, maybe this person is not telling you something. They have something in their mind. It may be your energy or their energy, and they are afraid to reveal their secrets because they feel that you may leave them if they reveal those secrets to you. So that is what is stopping them today, and they don't want to speak to you openly, and they are unable to speak to you openly because of these secrets. They are really scared that you will leave them, or it may be your energy. You are really scared because you feel that they may leave you if you tell them what is there in your heart of hearts deep down. So something is stopping both of you maybe today from revealing those secrets. But if you want a beautiful, positive relationship, you must go for that open minded communication, guys. Gemini, that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So you must reveal the truth no matter what the consequences are. Have that honest relationship. So for your career, we have Star. So in your work situation, you are seeing things falling into place. Maybe in your circumstances, whatever delays or suspensions you were seeing, something is changing all those difficulties, and bit by bit your circumstances are changing, and very soon things will go back to normal. That is what you feel, just like before, and you're happy for the way things are going today, guys, Gemini. And maybe in your circumstances you feel that a brighter future is waiting for you, a lot of good opportunities. So you are seeing the very beginning of that right now, guys, in your career situation. So for your moon energies, we have this card. What do you need to release? Waning moon. So this card just means that whatever situation you are in right now, guys, Gemini, that situation has peaked, maybe for better or worse. So it is time for you to think about what has happened, what has transpired in your circumstances, and what do you need to do today. So you can be very positive today. This is a very positive card, guys. It is just gently suggesting you to let go of something. Maybe you have tried really hard. Even with the previous cards, we saw the similar energy. Maybe you love this person. You have done your best, but still they are not understanding you. So then what to do? You must accept the inevitable in this relationship. So you need to stop trying so hard and maybe release all that emotional baggage you have. That is not going to help you in any ways, guys, Gemini. So if you want to say sorry to someone, you can do that. And Gemini, even with the previous cards and with this card again, if you are interested in meditation, you can take that up, guys. That is going to help you. That is going to help you very much today. So let's see what is the card for your love guidance. Peacefulness. Such a beautiful and an apt card for you all, guys, today. So only when we are going through a lot of troubles, we want peace in our situation. We think of peace. But we must try to have that balanced, harmonious mindset each and every day of our life. Because when we react to people or to any particular circumstances, there are certain chemicals released in our body, guys, that will make our mind and body go into a vexed state, something like a disease, and we will not be at peace. We will not have that peace of mind or that calm and composed attitude. So it is better to make it a plan every day to have that peaceful state in our heart of hearts deep down, and have that harmonious state of mind. So when we do that, our brain quietens and we feel so much better, and we will be able to handle any situation in a much better way, guys. Gemini. So that is what this card is about. So instead of going for an eye in any circumstances, we must respond to people or to any circumstance in the right way with that calm mindset, thinking clearly and speaking with clarity. So that is going to help us every day, each and every day, Gemini. So time for your fortune cookie for the day, guys. Achievement. Enjoy the limelight. You have earned it, although on the family front, someone's health could cause some secret worries and sleepless nights. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.